Hi there, everybody. I would like to greet you all on my Facebook page. So, let's learn about the different sounds of letter A. First sound is A, like in the word nap. N, A, P, nap. N, A, P, nap. Repeat with me. Second word is angle. 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 Third word is natural. 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 Second sound is A. It's a blending sound. A and E. Mix it and then say A, like in the word day. April. April. Rain. Rain. Some people say ran or rain. It's not rain, it's rain. Third word is, again, mostly mispronounced. There is frame. It's not frame. It's frame. Frame. The next sound is a short sound. It's a short sound. Abroad. Abundant. Banana. Now the word banana has two pronunciations. Again, British pronunciation is different and American pronunciation is different. So in British it is banana, banana, and in American its pronunciation is banana. The next sound is R. Alarm, alarm, alarm. Farm, farm, farm. Now again, the British pronouncers, they don't pronounce R, they say farm, and the Americans, they pronounce the letter R and they say farm. Next word is camouflage. Camouflage. Now here the sound is in flage. Next sound is aw, like always. Always. Awkward. All. So this is a very helpful video for you all. So I hope that you will practice the sounds and the correct pronunciation of all these words. Thank you.